YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. So I found this amazing Gulf access home online. It's for sale in Cape Coral, Florida, and the pictures are just gorgeous, guys. I had to check it out and see it in person, and I noticed it just so happened to be listed by a good friend and fellow agent of mine, Brandy Thomas. So she's gonna meet us here today and take us on a tour.
Hey, how are you?
Good to see you.
Good to see you. I'm so glad you're here.
Thank you.
Welcome to 4118 Northwest 33rd Lane, Cape Coral.
Yeah.
So this Key West charmer is tucked between Punta Gorda and Matlacha. There is so much I love about this house, and I got a secret I'm going to tell you about later on.
Okay.
But come on, I can't wait to show you.
Oh, I'm excited. Let's check it out. Now, before we begin the tour, let's take a moment to talk about this incredible location. This home is located halfway between Cape Coral and Punta Gorda. So when it comes to shopping and dining, you have plenty of options. There are so many things to see and do in downtown Punta Gorda, but today we're going to highlight a couple of our favorites. We'll start with Fisherman's Village. They have so many unique stores to explore and so much seafood to indulge in, all while soaking up the stunning views of the marina and having a cocktail with your toes in the sand at the Sunset Beach Bar while overlooking the Peace River. Discover unique treasures at the shops, from homemade jewelry to coastal decor. There is really something for everybody here. Now, just a few blocks away in the heart of Punta Gorda is the Ice House Pub. Built in the 1890s, the building was originally used as an ice plant for fishermen. It's gone through many owners and businesses over the years, and now it's a local favorite. So if you're looking for some good eats, they have the best fish and chips, bangers and mash, and one of my faves is the chicken and chips. If you're looking for a refresher, they have 26 rotating taps with the best beers from all over the world. They are also known for their British entertainment, from darts to dominoes and billiards. So if you haven't been there yet, be sure to check it out.
All right, so take a look at this view.
Oh, that's amazing.
This is one of my favorite things. That is the Longview Canal. It's over 200 foot wide. It's direct Gulf access out to Matlacha Pass,
Okay.
Pine Island Sound, the Barrier Islands, Boca Grande.
Nice.
That's a boater's dream.
That is so cool.
And this is Finn.
Hi, Finn.
He wants to be part of this.
Of course he does. He's the star.
So the owners of this house, when they bought it and they were searching for a waterfront house, what they were running into when they were looking for a waterfront home was when they walked through the door, they weren't really getting much of a view.
Okay.
Okay, so originally, and I'll talk more about this as we go along, there was a wall in the middle right here, so you just walked in and just saw this.
Oh.
You didn't see anything else.
Oh, that would be a shame not to be able to see
so
the whole
then-
view.
I know, what a difference, right?
Yeah.
All right, so come on, I'll show you the rest.
Okay, perfect.
So this is driftwood luxury vinyl.
This is gorgeous.
Run it through the whole house. The kitchen, another one of my favorite features.
Yes.
Okay, so going back to that wall that I was telling you about with the owners, that kitchen used to be right here. We're kind of standing where it was.
Oh.
And it was pink.
Okay.
Okay.
So this was the kitchen?
Yes.
Okay.
So they took the whole kitchen and moved it over here along this wall and just opened this room wide open.
Love it. The kitchen's very large and open. I love how it
Yes.
spills right over into the family room
Yes.
and the dining room, and it's like one big room for entertaining.
I know. Can you imagine having a party here and having a gathering with friends
Oh,
and
it's
family?
perfect for that.
Yeah, it would be perfect. It's got all these glass windows, so it just kind of flows out, and you still have, again, this view of the water from almost every room in this house.
Yes, I love
So-
that.
Yeah, so let's talk a little bit more about this though. They went all out with this counter, this island and granite, but the sink, it's an apron sink.
Okay. Very nice.
The finishes with the brick backsplash and the stainless steel. They've done a oven microwave over here. I feel like they have thought of everything. The cabinets with the windows.
I love the white cabinets. I love how bright everything feels in here. It's open. There's a ton of natural light coming in.
Yes.
It just feels so airy and so inviting as soon as you come in the door.
I think so too, yes.
I love it.
And then this dining area over here, if you look, so again, just surrounded by the windows and your view. So imagine having your dinners here or sitting to play a game of cards, some Skip-Bo, some Phase 10.
You got all these doors and windows. I feel a really nice breeze coming in here.
Yes.
This is lovely.
Okay, so let's walk on back. I'm going to show you a split floor plan, floors running through.
Driftwood luxury vinyl. That really ties in nice with the nautical theme they've got going on here.
Yes.
Oh my
I
gosh! Look at this! That is gorgeous.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Wow.
So before, if we're going to talk about these owners, okay, they've really done it up right, but before going back, it was original 90s. There was a huge pink tub here, and there was mirrors all over this bathroom.
Oh yeah, I can picture that for sure. I've seen quite a few homes like that. Well, this just has that really calming, relaxing spa feeling to it. Yes. I love this tile pattern that the owners chose. It's really unique.
I think so too.
Yeah, and it showcases this big open space really well.
Yes.
The shiplap, very nice.
Yeah, I think someone's gonna fall in love with this.
For sure.
All right, I'll show you the rest. So spacious primary room. You got French doors that open up to that water view again. Vaulted ceilings.
Got great natural light in here.
Mm-hmm. And just separate from the rest of the house.
Yeah, this is a good space. I like the vaulted ceilings. It's really cool in here too. Very refreshing.
Yeah, I love how the light kind of makes like a reflection on the wall.
It sure does. Yeah. It's like a cool diamond pattern almost.
Yes. Okay, and then just on this other side, so again, a split floor plan. We got 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, with a den. Walk on over here to the other side of the house. One great thing that I noticed that would come in handy, say you're renting the house or you have guests, is this is a pocket door, and it separates this wing of the house from the rest of the house.
Very nice. So if someone was interested in this from an Airbnb perspective, this is the perfect setup for that, because you've got your own private entrance from over here on this wing to the outside.
Yes, so even this could be a pool bath one day or lead to the pool or to the bath. And then you also have access out here too through this bedroom.
Okay.
So whoever's staying here has access to this porch and to that bathroom.
Okay.
So
I love the French doors.
Yes, that's another nice feature. And a great view down that canal again.
Wonderful views.
And then we have one more room over here. Okay, so stepping out onto the lanai. All right, look at the ceiling.
Oh, beautiful.
It's a knotty pine.
Love that.
Yeah, and then this porch is huge. It goes all the way, it runs the whole length of the house.
Oh, neat. I thought the dining room divided the lanai, but it looks like it goes all the way down.
So actually we could do separate sitting areas if someone was interested in doing that.
Yeah.
Or spaces. But then just stepping out into the backyard, which a lot of folks would consider this the front of their house. Okay, so looking at this view again.
Yes, I love this view. I cannot get enough of it.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful day today too.
It's gorgeous.
Plenty of room out here for a pool if someone decides they want to put one in.
Plenty of room for a pool. I love the mature landscaping out here too. That's really nice. So that'll save potential buyers a lot of money.
Yes. I know, and I can smell the gardenias and the jasmine.
Ooh, I smell that too.
Okay, but down here on the dock, I can just picture the sunsets to be had down here.
Yes. Oh, this is amazing. The breeze out here feels so nice. Does it get any better than this? I'm standing under a palm tree on a dock.
I know, this is paradise. You don't have this with every house here in Cape Coral.
Yeah.
This width is huge.
It is. You really don't understand the volume of this from inside, but once you
really
come
don't
out
have
here,
your neighbors like right there, like across from you, like, hey, how you doing? There's some distance there, and I love that. That's a nice added bonus.
you can have a huge boat right here.
You could have a big boat, and then you wouldn't have to worry about turning it. Again, this is direct access. There are no bridges out to Pine Island, to the Matlacha Pass area.
Okay, so you could have a sailboat here even.
You could have a sailboat. I've seen a trawler or two.
Nice.
So yeah, this is where it's at.
This is the lifestyle here in Southwest Florida. I love it.
All right, so I snuck off and got us some wine.
Awesome.
So come over here. We gotta have a seat.
Yeah,
Just
perfect.
take this all in.
I love it. Oh,
Isn't
this feels
beautiful?
amazing.
Yes.
It's such a pretty day too.
Yes, I know. I might not leave. So,
Yeah.
I have to tell you that secret I was
Oh,
going to
yeah.
tell you.
What is it?
This house is the best price on the block.
Okay.
We're surrounded by $1 million homes.
Oh my gosh. Cheers to that, girl.
All
Let's get
right.
it sold.
Cheers. Yes.
So Brandy, I want to thank you so much for touring me through this gorgeous home today. I truly, truly enjoyed it. I can't wait to share it with my buyers.
I'm so glad that you came by. I agree. Such a stunning home.
It really is. The sellers thought of everything here. And guys, would you drop a comment, please? Let us know what was your favorite thing about this home tour today. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates for living in Southwest Florida. Do you have any final thoughts or comments, Brandy?
Just what are you waiting for? The time is now.
We want to thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in paradise.
See ya. Cheers.